Howdy folks, in this video we'll be diving into the fascinating world of crafting your woodworking business plan. Now, I've been where you are, full of passion for woodworking but unsure of how to turn it into a thriving business. That's when I stumbled upon Ted's woodworking program. Let me tell you, it was a game changer. Within a year I've been running a successful woodworking business, and I owe a big chunk of that success to the lessons I learned from this program. Now, why are we talking about a business plan, you ask? Well, a well-crafted business plan is your roadmap to success. It's like a blueprint for a beautiful piece of furniture. You wouldn't start carving without one, right? So why would you start a business without a solid plan? So buckle up as we take you through a journey to turn your woodworking passion into a profitable business. The first step towards a successful business is setting clear, achievable goals. Now let's shed some light on the importance of goal setting. Goals are the compass guiding your woodworking business. They provide direction and the motivation to get you there. Think of it like this. You're crafting an intricate piece of furniture. You wouldn't just start without a design or plan, would you? Your business should be no different. Let's consider some examples of short and long-term goals. A short-term goal could be mastering a new woodworking technique within the next 3 months. A long-term goal, on the other hand, might be to expand your business to a second location within 5 years. Remember, your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, what we call SMART goals. Most importantly, they should inspire you. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So let's turn those woodworking dreams into reality, shall we? Knowing your market and audience is like having a compass in a forest. Now, envision you're standing in the heart of a lush, sprawling forest. Without a compass, it's easy to lose your way, right? The same concept applies to your woodworking business. Understanding your target market is that compass, guiding you through the dense wilderness of entrepreneurship. So how do you find your compass? Start by identifying your ideal customer. Are they homeowners looking to add a rustic touch to their decor? Or perhaps their business in need of custom-made furniture? Determine who would value your craftsmanship the most. Remember, not every hiker needs the same type of compass. Once you've identified your target audience, it's time to roll up your sleeves and delve into market research. This isn't just about knowing who your customers are, but also understanding their needs, preferences, and buying behaviors. Are they more likely to purchase online or in a physical store? Do they prefer traditional designs or modern aesthetics? All these insights will help you tailor your products and services to suit their needs. But don't stop there. Extend your research to competitors and market trends. Just like in a forest, there are other adventurers with their compasses. Who are they? What are they doing that resonates with the audience? Can you learn from their successes or avoid their pitfalls? And what about the path itself? Are there any emerging trends in the woodworking industry that you should be aware of? Being in tune with your market also allows you to stay ahead of the curve. Any sudden changes in consumer behavior or new market trends won't catch you off guard. Instead, you'll be prepared to adapt and pivot your business strategy, ensuring your survival and success in this vast entrepreneurial forest. So, strap on your boots, grab your compass, and start exploring. Dig deep into market research, understand your target audience, and keep an eye on your competition and market trends. It's a journey, but one that's well worth the effort. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to understanding your market. Our products and services are the heart of our business, and pricing them right is crucial. In the realm of woodworking, the opportunities to create are as vast as the forest itself. From restoring an antique chest of drawers to crafting a custom dining table, each project tells a unique story. Your offerings may also include repair services, such as fixing cracks in those old wooden gates. Or perhaps you specialize in creating bespoke pieces from reclaimed wood. The key is to identify your skills and passions and transform them into services that your customers will value. Now let's talk about pricing. It's an art in itself and requires a balance between your costs, the market rate, and your customers' perceived value of your work. Start by calculating your material costs, labor, overheads, and don't forget to factor in your expertise. Compare your prices with your competitors, but remember, don't sell yourself short. You're not just selling a product or service, you're providing an experience, a piece of art that's been crafted with love, sweat, and perhaps even a few splinters. But what's a beautifully crafted piece without quality and craftsmanship, right? Quality isn't just about using the finest wood or having the sharpest tools. It's about the attention to detail, the smooth finish, the sturdy construction, and the unique design. It's these aspects that set you apart from the crowd. Craftsmanship, on the other hand, is your signature, your style. It's the little details that make your work uniquely yours. It's the choice of wood grain, the curve of a chair arm, the pattern of a wood inlay. These are the elements that make your customers say, "Ah, that's a piece by so-and-so." Remember, your products and services are not just items for sale. They're the embodiment of your passion, your creativity, and your skill. They're the heart of your business. And when it comes to pricing, it's not just about covering your costs. It's about valuing your work and your worth. Your work's value lies in its quality and the fair price you set for it. In this digital age, promoting your business and building a strong brand is key. Let's dive into some useful tips to get your woodworking business noticed. First, establish a robust online presence. A well-designed website can be your storefront, portfolio, and first point of contact for potential clients. Don't underestimate the power of social media either. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for showcasing your craftsmanship. Offline, consider local craft fairs or markets. Nothing beats the personal touch, and it's a great way to meet your community. Now let's talk about your brand identity. Your brand should reflect your passion for woodworking and the unique qualities of your work. It's more than a logo or slogan. It's the experience you promise your customers. Creating engaging content is another key strategy. Think of tutorials, behind-the-scenes shots, or customer testimonials. Remember, your brand is your promise to your customer. Money matters, folks. Let's talk about budgeting and financial planning. Your woodworking business, no matter how much passion fuels it, needs to make financial sense. Budgeting is key. It's about understanding your expenses, from the cost of lumber to that of the tools and workspace rent. Keep a close eye on these costs. Track them regularly. Next, let's talk about income. It's not just about making sales, but also tracking them. Know your income streams, whether it's from selling a polished oak table or restoring an old pine chest. Now let's get to the heart of financial planning. Setting realistic financial goals. Having clear financial goals keeps you grounded. It's like having a blueprint for a piece of furniture, but this time it's for your business. Remember, it's not just about surviving, but thriving. And to thrive, you need a solid financial plan. A good financial plan is a roadmap that shows us exactly how the choices we make today will affect our future. Navigating through legal and regulatory waters can be tricky, but it's paramount. Familiarizing yourself with local laws and regulations is the first step to ensuring your woodworking business operates within the law. This may entail zoning, laws for your workshop, or safety regulations for your equipment. Next, registering your business is essential. Whether it's a limited liability company, a sole proprietorship, or a partnership, the type of business you register as can have significant tax implications and can affect your personal liability. Obtaining necessary permits is also crucial. These might include a business license, a sales tax permit, or an environmental permit depending on your location and the nature of your work. Last but not least, don't overlook insurance and liability protection. Accidents can happen, and having the right insurance can protect you from major financial loss. This could be general liability insurance, product liability insurance, or workers' compensation if you have employees. Remember, playing by the rules keeps your business safe and sound. None of us is as smart as all of us. Building a strong support system is key. And in the woodworking business, this holds true as well. It's not just about mastering the craft, but about creating a network of like-minded individuals who can provide insight, advice, and even mentorship. Networking with other woodworking professionals can be an invaluable asset. You can share ideas, learn new techniques, and even collaborate on projects. This can be done through local woodworking clubs, online forums, or industry events. Finding a mentor can be another game changer. A mentor is someone who has been where you are and can guide you through the ups and downs of running a woodworking business. Joining industry associations can also provide a wealth of resources, including access to industry news, educational materials, and opportunities for professional development. Remember, building a woodworking business is not a solo endeavor. Together, we can do so much. So, start building your support network today. Well, we've covered a lot of ground today, folks. We've journeyed through the lush forests of business goals, explored the vast landscape of market research, and climbed the towering peaks of products and services. We've navigated the treacherous waters of marketing and promotion, crossed the rugged terrain of financial planning, and explored the intricate cave systems of legal and regulatory considerations. And let's not forget the warm campfires we've built in the wilderness of networking and support. But remember, the real adventure begins when you start crafting your woodworking business plan. Every piece of wood is a story waiting to be told, and every business plan is a map to success. So don't wait another day. Grab your compass, lace up your boots, and start your journey. Don't forget to check out our website for your free woodworking blueprints. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.